Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to cancel hosting your plan. I'll also show you how to initiate a refund if you are in your first 30 days. So as you can see, I got that notification as well. So if you log into your hosting or H panel and you come here on the left hand side and you click on billing, you'll get this drop down and here you'll see subscriptions. You'll see all the subscriptions you have here, and I currently have a business web hosting. So what I want you to do is toggle off auto renewal. It will give you this pop-up saying if you want to cancel the subscription. So I'll click here on cancel subscription, and then you'll get a pop-up notification that auto renewal is off. So they will not charge us again, but if you want to actually cancel the plan and get your refund, then what you can do for this is just come here on the left hand panel, go ahead and click on payment history, copy your payment ID, come here, click on Ask AI, and then give it your payment ID and then tell it that you want to initiate a refund. Really that easy. If you found this helpful, make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to the channel. Really helps me out.